everyone. Today I am here to talk about how to get rid of camera fear and start posting your videos on social media. Welcome everyone. This is Nilanjana Sarkar, your English language teacher, and those who are here new for the first time, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's topic, as I said, is how to get rid of fear, especially when you are in front of the camera. And this video will also help you if you really want to work on your public speaking skills. So keep watching this video till the end and do not miss any part of the video. Okay, so yeah, but before that I have a question for all of you. What is the synonym of fear? I want all of you to write the answer in the comment section, and I would be really waiting for that. So what is the synonym for fear? You can even write one or two synonyms that you know. So let's begin. The first one, when you are talking in front of the camera, you have to choose a topic. So first thing is, how do you choose your topic? Well, if you ask me, the topic that you choose should be something that you are passionate about. And it's always good to talk about from your own personal experience. Like if you ask me to talk about something that I really don't know, I can maximum talk for maybe 1 minute. Therefore, try to choose something that you already know about. Yes, of course, you can do a little bit of research and talk about something that you are really fond of talking. Like if you want to ask me about something which I already know, that could be creative writing, essay writing, grammar, spoken English, literature. I mean, I can just go on and on because I have been doing this for the last 15 years. So these are some of the topics I am passionate about. Now it's your turn to find out what are you really good at and what is that you can help your audience with. Something that will benefit them. So this is how you choose the topic. The second thing is prepare a script. Well, I'm not really asking you to write down everything word to word, but it's always, good to have your points organized. That would be, it would be really planned. And it's really good to have something written in bullet points so that you can organize the ideas and speak with clarity. So yes, even when I do my videos, I prepare a script. Maybe I'm not writing anything word to word, but yes, I have a draft and I follow that. And yes, while preparing your script, I would also ask you to use a few advanced words and phrases, a few, which are like, those buzzwords that would really create an impact on your audience. The third one, how do you appear in front of the camera? Well, when I make my videos, I try to be energetic so that, I can entertain my audience. By energetic, I'm not trying to say that you have to dance and, sing and joke. But yes, appear to be cheerful, have a smiling face, look fresh, wash your face, wear something nice that will make you look pleasant and confident. So this is how you can really be confident and pleasant in front of the camera. Always smile because smile is contagious. If you smile, you will spread that in your audience. There are people who are very passionate, energetic and very lively in front of the camera, and try to take examples from those people, because when you see how do they make their videos, that will really make you learn a lot of things. The next is intonation. By intonation, what I mean is voice modulation. Voice modulation refers to your pauses, when you take your pause, when you go up, when you rise and fall with your pitch. Now, when do you take a pause? Let's take an example. You have a sentence and you have 2 or 3 messages in the same sentence. So between those 2 messages, you need to take a pause. That would be the correct intonation. Also, if you want to highlight a particular fact, remember that you need to pause at that point of time. When I try to emphasize something, I take a pause. By taking pauses, you will appear clear and your message will reach your audience faster. So remember to intonate, remember to modulate your voice, because otherwise you will sound flat, and that makes it really dull and boring at times. The next thing is speed. Do you really need to speak very fast or sometimes really slow to create an impact? Well, there are many content creators, those who are extremely fast with their content, and yes, they are really doing well and they are creating an impact and they have huge fan following. However, when you create your content, remember to keep in mind the kind of audience that you have. For example, when I teach my students, I cannot go really very fast. I need to go slow at times so that my message reaches my audience. So therefore, here I would like to say that don't go very fast or don't go very slow. Have a balanced speed so that your audience can understand what you're trying to say. And also remember that if you are trying to build your confidence in front of the camera, you can also follow someone who is really good at that. By this, what I mean to say is the shadowing technique. A shadowing technique means you follow your mentor, you watch your mentor's video carefully and try to observe, try to pick up the points that is really good and that can make your video stand out. Even I have my mentor and I have an idol and I really follow her videos. So can you all guess who is my mentor and who is my idol, whose videos I watch to inspire myself? Yes, I would also like to know this. You can write your answer. Guess. It's great to guess, and I would be really keen to know that how well you all are guessing. The last point that I would like to say is record yourself and analyze. Record yourself. So how do you record? It's very easy. You just need to pick up your phone and you need to record yourself. So when you record yourself, what you do is you get to know and you get to see yourself in front of the camera, because you will analyze how are you speaking, where exactly you could have done better, where are you feeling nervous, do you appear anxious or do you appear confident. All these things will be very clear when you analyze yourself. And you don't have to share these videos with anybody. I mean, you can just go to a lonely place in your house and start recording yourself. And once you record yourself, you will realize that with each video, you are actually becoming better. When I started creating content, I followed this technique. I started making my videos and initially I never shared these videos with anyone. I used to just look at myself and I understood that where I need to improve. We are our best critic. So before you share your video with others, you can judge and find where you can do good and where you can actually do much better. So these tips, if you follow, if you start with, you can get rid of the camera fear or the camera phobia, and you can just become quite confident while sharing your videos on your social media handles. There are many budding YouTubers, there are many budding content creators, and I have seen that people desire to come in front of the camera, but they have this kind of a tension or anxiety that how do I speak and how would people judge me. Here I would like to say that when so many people are doing their content, they're creating their content and they're really doing well on social media, why can't you? Why can't you spread your message? Why can't you come in front of the camera and share something with the world that will create an impact? This is what I wanted to share in my video. If you have liked this content and if you think that these tips helped you, I will request all of you to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and yes, do subscribe to my channel for more meaningful content like this. That's all. Stay tuned. Bye.